As if TikTok couldn't get foolish enough. Guys, can't we just stick to the funny pet videos and wholesome content? These dangerous trends are really getting out of hand. There have been so many dangerous TikTok trends and challenges that have been putting the health and safety of others at risk that you'd think maybe these shenanigans would fizzle out as people come to their senses. But no. Now we have a new dangerous trend that is affecting people's teeth. First we had people filing their teeth down, and now we have people super gluing them. I really wish I was kidding. Let me tell you guys all about it. What's going on, my lovelies? I'm your host Brie Room and welcome back to I.O. Today I'm back again to talk about more TikTok tomfoolery, but before I get into that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a new video coming your way. Also go ahead and check up here for a playlist to see more videos like this one, and stick around until the end of the video for some bonus content. Now let's talk about TikTok. Well, we're back at it again, warning you guys about another new dangerous TikTok trend. A couple of weeks ago it was the Benadryl challenge, and before that it was filing down your teeth, and now we're talking about super glue. Because it's spooky season and people are dressing up for Halloween in their Halloween best, there are a lot of people out there dressing like vampires, werewolves, and other beasts. And what do these things have in common? They have fangs. Do you see where this is headed? Basically, there's this new trend or hack or whatever you want to call it where people are gluing fake fangs to their teeth, and they're using nail glue to adhere the plastic teeth to themselves. This glue they're using, though for press-on nails, is actually made of the same materials as super glue and is creating a very strong bond. As if the gluing wasn't bad enough, now these poor souls are finding it incredibly difficult to remove the fangs from their teeth. Videos of people struggling to remove the super glued fangs from their mouths have been circulating around TikTok and are gaining notoriety. These people are literally yanking at their teeth trying to pop the fangs loose, and dentists, the real teeth experts, are stepping in. As people are trying to pull their teeth and are brushing them way harder than they should in an effort to loosen the fangs, dentists are now advising those in this predicament to never, ever pull at their teeth and rather just wait for the glue to dissolve and remove it when they inevitably fall off. If you find yourself in this kind of situation, the biggest rule is really just don't pull. Yanking at your tooth the way a lot of these other people have been can cause some serious damage to your teeth, like damaging the enamel, fracturing the tooth, or actually pulling the tooth straight out. Seek immediate care from a dentist if this happens to you. As if the fang getting stuck in your mouth wasn't bad enough, the nail glue that people are using to adhere the fangs is also toxic. Any kind of super glue or really just glue in general should not come anywhere near your mouth, and this also goes for that other TikTok trend of people gluing their lips to make them look bigger. Why are you doing that? Literally, why? Stop it. If you're going to use press-on fangs, use denture glue instead. It is safe to use and will be easier to remove when you're done dressing up. Again, just don't use super glue. Don't put it in your mouth, it's super glue. The name super is like, stop it. I know a lot of people are looking for ways to keep their fangs in place when dressing up, but wouldn't it be better to use a safer alternative like denture glue or ortho wax and have to keep applying it over time than to use super glue and risk damaging your teeth permanently? I think so. I don't know what else I could tell you other than don't try this trend. It is stupid and it's reckless and dangerous and could get you in some serious trouble. But yeah guys, before we wrap up this video, let's do some comment shoutouts. From the video, Taylor Swift warns fans new album may have this. Janine Rose Osborne says, my dog sheds way more than my cat. She is a serious sheddy shedderson. Same, I have a pug and I didn't know that they shed so much until I got him, and now literally my entire house is covered in fur. If you see fur on me right now, that's because of him. Rock and Roll Jenny says, Brie, I love your necklace. Is it opalite or maybe rainbow moonstone? This necklace everybody always comments about is actually a Larimar stone. My mom has a matching one. We matchy, super cute. I love her. But yeah, it's great. How Not to Adult 101 says, I feel like this just goes to show how down to earth Taylor is. You can almost see her sitting on her bed drinking wine with her cats, signing cards with her legs crossed, and listening to music. I would be grateful to receive something personally signed. Why does everything have to be perfection? I love the way you just painted that entire picture. It sounds so cozy and wholesome, and that's kind of Taylor's whole aesthetic, like cozy, wholesome, cat-loving mom, awesome. So yeah, I mean, yeah, sure, there's cat hair and wine stains on it, and your stuff might smell like cat and wine, but it's personal, it's great. I don't know any other musician out there who's sending you cat hair in the mail. Ibran Azad Era says, when I realized her cats have a net worth of $84 million, that's more than my family's entire existence. Is that true? Do her cats actually have that much of a net worth? Also, why do they have a net worth? They're literally cats. They don't have a bank account. They don't need money. But please, someone fact check this. I need to know if this is true. Thanks guys for tuning in, and thank you for all of your comments. If you've enjoyed watching this video, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button too. That's all I've got for you guys today, but until next time, stay safe, be kind, and make good choices. TTFN, my dudes.